Namaste everyone. In this quick video, we will see a tip to save the files in AutoCAD to the same version every time you save them. So this happens many times that you need to save the files in a particular version. So whenever you save the file, it will always show up in from this, a particular version can be selected. The problem is that these versions are not backward compatible. So if you save in a newer version, you cannot open that file in an older version of the software. So that's why many times it is preferred to save the file in an older version. And when you're saving a lot of files, this becomes a big problem. The quick fix here is to go for options by pressing OP enter and choose whichever file version you want here in open and save tab. So I just want to save in DXF 2000 version because I want to prepare drawings for laser cutting. When I press OK, every time you save the file, it's always going to be asking in default to save in DXF. Thanks for watching this. The next time we'll see you with another tip.